Hi everyone, I just want to make a quick video talking about how to do the work for today. So as usual, there's a lesson plan doc that has all of this in it, but this will also be posted on the stream and in today's assignment. So I tried to very easily mark it all out for you. The first thing is to watch my video that's called 6th grade class going forward. So this explains what it's going to look like for the rest of the year. So you would click on that link and it would open up. It would bring you to this little place to watch the video, and there you go. And then after that, you would quickly read this week's focus question, which is literally just reading this sentence. What kinds of furniture, lighting, decorations, etc. should be in a library? Then I've got one source that I'm introducing to you today, which is a video. So you'd click on this link, you'd go into that, and it's going to give you a video about design for some school libraries. So you'll watch that. And then as you're watching or after you're done watching, you're going to take notes about that library video. I'm going to ask you to write them into a Google Doc. And then the final part is to submit your video notes to the assignment post that's called Library Design Video Notes. So when I go into Google Classroom, it's here, Library Design Video Notes. It's got all of the instructions that I just read to you, and you're going to submit that to me. And I will look at your notes. And then this link down here is the video that I'm creating right now. I'm going to add the link to the bottom, and that's just a reminder of how to complete today's work. Let me know if you have any questions.